Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change Casio strap without special tools. So I have this tool, but I'm not going to use that, as you can see, like this, but I'm going to use a simple screwdriver, as you can see, like this. So basically what we'll need to do is take your watch and you'll see these little tabs right here, and what we need to do is pry it out like this. So let's try it out. Let's pry it. Okay, so it takes some time and patience to do that, but basically it should pop out like this. And now let's try to do on the other side. Okay, as you can see, it's pretty simple. And now to push back these tabs again, you will see that one is the springy side and other is the solid side. So what we need to do is, first of all, with the solid side, go into the hole, back again, and now you can just push it with your finger or nail, as you can see, like this, and now you put a strap back again. And just repeat for the other side. Check which one is the springy side and check which one is the solid side, and after that basically put it back again like this. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.